Hello guys, in today's video, we're gonna check out the 5 best car accessories in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these best car accessories. You can check out the description below, so let's get started. Fanttik X8 APX Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. The Fanttik X8 APX Air Inflator is one of those invaluable gadgets that's really worth keeping in the car. A slow puncture can happen at any time, and this little beauty is just the thing to get you on the road again. It's wonderfully small, but there's a sizable digital display that tells you everything you need to know in terms of setting pressures. You also get the benefit of an internal battery, which in our experience seems to have a reassuringly long life before you need to recharge it. A USB power port is handy if your phone dies too, while there's an LED light built in if you're stranded after dark. Granted, it's pricier than many foot pumps, but the quality is obvious. Better still, it makes light work of inflating things from car and bike tires through to small boats and inflatable kids' toys. Nextbase 620 GW front and rear dash cam. There's nothing more annoying than trying to explain to the insurance company that the accident wasn't your fault, no matter what kind of tangled web of lies the third party is trying to weave. Well now, the proof is in the camera. Recording in 4K quality, this smart dash cam allows you to record and easily transfer footage from the device to your phone or home PC. It uses a magnetic pad to secure itself to the dashboard, and it tracks your GPS and speed to ensure everything's fair and square whenever you happen to have an accident. TileMate Bluetooth Tracker. While the bloke from Britain's Got Talent may have enjoyed his 15 minutes of fame, can't he remember where me keys, where me phone? Look it up on YouTube, it'll blow your mind. We know only too well the frustration of actually misplacing them. This handy gadget attaches to your keys. You can ring it from your phone or consult the app to see when they were last seen. You can also press the button on the TileMate itself and it'll ring your phone. And it'll even make a noise on silent mode. Handy. TUNAI Firefly LDAC Bluetooth Receiver. Add Bluetooth to your car audio system with Firefly, the world's tiniest music receiver. Firefly allows you to stream music from your smartphone to any device with an AUX input. Just plug Firefly into your audio system and a USB power source, and pair it with your smartphone. Once paired, Firefly will remember your device and auto-connect whenever you're close by. Scosche Fast Car Charger. If you are on the go for work, taking phone calls every 5 minutes while browsing online spreadsheets can take its toll on your battery, so if you are driving in between clients, it's a great time to give your phone a boost of charge. This Scosche USB charger is small and fits neatly into your cigarette lighter socket. It works with all smartphones and devices, and there's 2 ports so you can charge up your tablet and your phone at the same time.